Today we will discuss about star schema and snowflake schema, and what is star schema, what is snowflake schema, and difference between star schema and snowflake schema. First of all, we'll go with what is schema. So a schema is a graphical representation of the data structure within a data warehouse or within a database. So we are going to use this schema as a first phase in implementation of universe. Then we'll go with star schema. What is star schema and how it is going to store data in a data warehouse? Basically, star schema is a data warehouse schema where there is only one fact table and many denormalized dimension tables. Fact table contains primary keys from all the dimension tables and other numeric columns of additive or numeric facts. Just assume we have one fact table and which is surrounded by dimensions, and there is no relationship between dimension and dimension, which looks like a star. Next one is a snowflake schema. A snowflake schema is a schema where fact table is surrounded by dimensions and there must be a relationship between dimension and dimension. Unlike star schema, snowflake schema contain normalized dimension tables in a tree-like structure with many nesting levels. That means we'll be having more dimensions with nesting levels. Snowflake schema is easier to maintain data, but it requires more joins due to relationship between dimension and dimension due to nesting levels. Now we will go with differences. So difference between snowflake schema and star schema. So first, star schema. Star schema is the simplest data warehouse schema. When it comes to snowflake schema is a more complex data warehouse model than a star schema. Now, when it comes to star schema, in each of the dimensions is represented in a single table. It should not have any hierarchies between dimensions. When it comes to snowflake schema, at least one hierarchy should exist between dimension tables. That means one nesting dimension should be there. That means a relationship between dimension and dimension. A star schema optimizes the performance by keeping queries simple and providing fast response time. All the information about each level is stored in one row. When it comes to snowflake schema normalized dimensions to eliminated redundancy. The result is more complex queries and reduced query performance. In star schema, it contains a fact table surrounded by dimension tables. If the dimensions are denormalized, we say it is a star schema design. When it comes to snowflake, it contains a fact table surrounded by dimension tables. If a dimension is normalized, we say it as a snowflake design, as we are having a relationship between dimension and dimension as part of nested level. Usually, snowflake schema retains the referential integrity in the relational database, meaning you will have many dimensions linked by primary or foreign keys. On the other hand, the star schema will have flat structure that merges all of the linked tables into one dimension, where star schema is less complex and has much better performance than the snowflake schema. In BI perspective, star schema should be the way to go. Snowflake should be only used whenever it is necessary. So due to these performance issues, most of the data warehousing architects or data modelers, they will try to simplify the schema and they will try to use it star schema instead of snowflake. Whenever required, then only they will go with snowflake schema. So this is how it is going to work while building any data warehouse or data warehouse project with respect to facts and dimensions. So in next class, we'll come up with what is dimension, what are all the types of dimensions available, and what is a fact and what are all the types of facts available, and how it will work with respect to data warehousing projects. Then we will come up with more examples. Thank you so much.